Good afternoon, my name is Scott Watson. I'm the executive chef at the Inn of Virginia Tech and Skelton Conference Center. Today we're going to do a little vinaigrette, simple at home, something you can do at home. We have a green tea and sweet honey vinaigrette. I have tea, green tea steeped, olive oil, rice wine vinegar, a little bit of sesame oil, poppy seed, little light, it's your recipe, do what you want to do. Sesame, salt, fresh cracked pepper, and here's the fun, you just shake it at home. You can have your kids do this. Right at the end, we're going to add the honey, as much or as little as you like. We're not making that much, so we're just going to use about a half a tablespoon. Give it a shake. Toss on a nice fresh green salad, whatever salad dressing you like. Roll. Top it with some fresh cantaloupe and honeydew. And some chilled shrimp that we sauteed earlier. You can use chicken, you can use steak, you can use anything you like, but that is a quick, fast vinaigrette you can do at your home. Impress your friends.